Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen pattern to your Red Magic Astra tablet. So, in such case, if you have an alternative way to access your device, for example, a face unlock or fingerprint unlock methods set up on your device, then access your device to back up your data from this device to either a PC or maybe a cloud backup. Use cloud backup services, and then perform a factory reset operation in a regular way. To do that, go to Settings, then go to System and Update, then select Reset Options, and then select Erase All Data. After that, after the reset, you're gonna have to set up your tablet once again, set up a new password for yourself, and then get your lost data from the backup. Now, if it's not an option for you, then the best decision would be to contact NUBIA or ZTE. I'm not sure who's the main company here, customer support service, and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most certainly be able to help you out resolving this problem without erasing all data from your tablet. Now, if it's not an option for you either, then there are two ways we can go. So we can either perform a factory reset operation remotely, or we can perform a factory reset operation locally on the tablet. So in both cases, all data will be erased from the device. And now if you want to perform a factory reset operation locally, you're gonna have to access the recovery mode on this tablet. If you are not sure how to access the recovery mode on this tablet, we have a separate video on our channel where we explain this process step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out that video. Now, if you want to perform a factory reset operation remotely, you have to grab any other device that you have that has an internet connection on it, and go to your web browser. And in your web browser, find and open the FindHub website, FindHub service by Google. Then sign into your Google account, the same one that your tablet is linked to. Then go to the Devices tab on this website and select your tablets here on the list. And after selecting your tablet on a separate device, you'll be able to select factory reset device and perform a full factory reset of your tablet. And after that, you'll be able to set up your device again and set a new password for yourself. Once again, all data will be lost in such scenario. Now, the other possible solution. So if you do remember your lock screen pattern, but you still cannot use it to unlock your device, it may be to some third-party application interference, or maybe some background process interference. So something is affecting the way that your lock screen behaves. And in order to outrule all third-party, all the background activities on your tablet, what you're gonna need to do is reboot the tablet into the safe mode. And to do that, hold the power button or the side button of your tablet for a couple of seconds, then select power off, confirm, wait until your tablet vibrates and turns off completely, then hold down the power button once again for a couple of seconds. After your tablet vibrates, release the power button, then wait for about 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds, start holding down the volume down button of your tablet. Then once your tablet restarts, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner. After that, try entering your pattern once again, and if you succeed, then go to Settings and remove the pattern. To do that, go to Security and Privacy, then scroll down to Device Unlock, then select fingerprint and face unlock. No, not here. Screen lock. then enter your pattern once again, and then select either none or swipe options. And right now the factory reset right now the password is reset, and we can easily access our tablet. Now what we're gonna need to do next is hold down the power button once again and select restart, and wait until the tablet restarts, and then we can start using it normally once again. And so that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.